In the past 2 years, the number of people reporting experiencing stress has increased by over 500%. This problem has become even more prevalent as we spend more time in our homes, and such lifestyles are directly impacting not just our body, but our mental health as well. With traditional methods of stress and fatigue relief not working, it's never been harder to get the deep relaxation and comfort we need. Introducing the Prone Cushion, an ergonomic, multi-layered memory foam cushion designed for lying down. Over the past 3 years, we have studied the incredible science and medical research about the positive effects lying down can have on our body. Being a naturally therapeutic posture, lying down or prone posture is known to stabilize and strengthen our core, release our lower back, align our spine, and help us relax and de-stress. Understanding this intuitively, we regularly prone in our daily lives. However, without the proper support, lying down can easily get tiring, causing pain in the wrist, neck, and shoulders. Using science, we wanted to design a product that can help prolong this posture. When you lie on the prone cushion, it eliminates all pressure points in your body by evenly distributing your weight across its large surface area, correcting your poor posture and restoring the natural shape of your body. It was designed to accommodate a wide range of body sizes, with its smartly built-in height-adjustable legs, allowing you to choose from 3 different heights and angles, perfectly adapting to your individual needs and preferences. The prone cushion can be used in a variety of different use cases, such as lying on your stomach, on your back, using it as a backrest, on your side, as a reclined back support, or even for exercise. Prone Cushion has a multi-layered memory foam system, with a charcoal-infused super soft memory foam on the upper layer, and a rigid memory foam for in its core. Wrapped with an antibacterial inner mesh for protection, and an ultra-smooth suede texture fabric for its outer cover, which is easily removable and machine washable. It's super lightweight, offering you cloud-like comfort wherever you need it. The clean and minimalistic design makes it a perfect fit for any home environment. So take control of your health and well-being, whether you are working from home or relaxing after a stressful day. Prone Cushion will give you the ultimate comfort experience. Prone Cushion, comfort reimagined. Back us today on Kickstarter.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. So I pass time, no opinions safely. So I understand what I want in this place. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong.
Straightening out your back,
success is
and
a
aligning
finicky
your
thing.
spine.
If you ain't sure, no, it'll
Offering
never be.
long-lasting comfort that never waits. Prone Cushion. Reserve yours now.
Down myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last day.